Alright, so this paper I'm going to be writing, or this theory I have, I guess. Here's all of the things that have to go into it. The charge in a spherically symmetric system, the distribution of charge, decay of charge, and the net force inside the charge, and the net force between two like charges that are stationary, and the propagation of charge. Second, I'll be going over the consistent angular frequency of electrons, the spring constant, nucleus rotating, the Fermi spacing, also showing that quantum leaps do not exist, and energy is emitted from the nucleus spinning. Now, number 3, we're going to be going over the mapping, just one of the vector charges from the nucleus. To do that, we'll need the angular frequency of the nucleus, the speed of the ejection, and why light is frequency. Well, and that goes into more detail about the rotation of the field and it not being a wave or a particle, but it gives both particle and wave properties, and there are some different proofs and diagrams I'll be given too. Also, the rotating bodies, the one vector and the frequency of the static observer. 2 is the frequency with the moving source and the static observer. I guess C, I'm going back and forth with these. C is with the frequency with the moving observer and the static emitter, and D is the frequency with both moving. Alright, 5, we're going over the emission of light. For example, salt burning, plasma. What is plasma? All the shells and lighting up different bands, the shell structures and the free electrons. Quantum leaps are impossible. C, must be protons making light. Yeah, the protons must be making light. Alright, 6, we're going over the electrostatic, magnetic, and graviton fields, the differential, the origins, and the magnetic fields in charge interacting with each other. 7, the structure of the nucleus and the role of the neutrons. Sorry, A, the role of the proton, proof. B, the role of the neutron, and the role of the electron, and all of them in a coherent structure. 8, the conclusion is that light is not a wave. It's not emitted by electrons. The nucleus is spinning. The electrons are trapped in a relative static location compared to the nucleus, and the neutrons produce magnetic fields, and that's based off of magnetars and structures like that. Then I'll be writing another paper on the structure of atoms and how that's going to work with thermal agitation and heat. I'll also have to go over the structure of atoms and bonding, but of course I don't have any of that mapped up yet. So, yeah, I've got a lot to do. It's one hell of a honey-do list. Alright, thanks.